give yourself the best chance of getting an incredible mix, you have to make sure that your levels are at the right point the whole way through the process, right from recording all the way through all your processing, mixing, and then to the final product. And there's a process which we use to help that, which is called gain staging. To go into a bit more detail on that, I'm going to link a video by a sound engineer called Rob Mazes to go into some of the common mistakes that people make in the gain staging process. One of the tools that he talks about is a gain or trim control, which tends to be built into a DAW. Reaper doesn't have that, so what I'm going to do just now is show you the tool that we can use to kind of get around that. So it's really important that it's the very first plugin in your effects chain. So I'm going to come onto the guitars track just now, click the effects window and search for volume. And it's the volume adjustment plugin that I'm going to add here. Now there's two ways that we can control the volume of this track. We've got the adjustment, or we've got the max volume. Max volume sets an upper limit, it won't let it pass beyond -18 at the moment. So I'm going to just set that to 0 because that's not the tool that I'm going to use here. I'm going to be using the adjustment, and at the minute it's also set to 0. So if I have a listen to that track now, so the guitars are soloed, we've got the level meter on the left side which shows you what's coming in, and the right side shows you what's going out. So at the moment it's the same on both sides because we haven't made any adjustments. What we tend to aim for is roughly sitting around -18 decibels as the output, so that we've got all of our tracks are sitting at roughly the same level to give headroom for effects and mixing later on. So we're going to bring this down a little bit to try and aim for things to be around here. It doesn't matter if things go over it. We don't really want to be going above -6, that's the only thing. So if we bring this down a little bit just now and see where it's at. Okay, so I'm happy enough with that. It's sitting mostly around this point. It is peaking a little bit high. Let's go in again. Okay, so it wasn't actually peaking as high as -3.8. It's just that this bit up here, which registers the peak, hadn't been reset. So you can reset that by just clicking on it. It was still sitting with the previous peaks there. So that's now sorted, and you can work through that process. But as I say, I will link the Rob Mazes video. It's about 10 minutes long, but it's really worthwhile watching that. It gives you really good insight into the gain staging process.